Hey everybody, today we're in a Mercedes Sprinter. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip commercial mounting platform, item number 241466. So this mount is going to be installed right where this storage cubby is. So first we have to pull that cubby out. So it's attached to the dash with just some clips inside. So you're going to need to put a little bit of force on it to get it out, but you're not going to break it. Once you get those clips undone, you can just pull the tray out and set it aside. Now the next step, you're going to take your main faceplate and you're going to take the two retention clips that come with it. You want to attach the retention clips behind the faceplate with the included screws in these two long slots here. Make sure you don't tighten the screws all the way down because we need them to slide later on. So now we've attached the retention tabs. You'll see we've left them loose so we can still slide them back and forth. And depending on your vehicle, you might have to flip them around so you get the longer side over here. For this particular vehicle, we need the shorter side over here. Now we're gonna make sure they are slid all the way towards the center. And then we're gonna insert the faceplate until it's all the way flush in the back. And then you can press those tabs in and slide them so they clip behind this part of the dash. Once you've done that, we're just gonna tighten those up. Make sure you kind of use your finger to keep the tab all the way over as you're tightening it. Now that those screws are tight, the mounting platform itself is in place, and now we can attach the pedestal to these holes in the middle. You wanna take the other 4 screws and the 4 lock washers and put the lock washers over those screws. And then you're gonna take the base plate of your pedestal and you're gonna decide which set of the amps hole pattern you wanna use, either the left or the right 4. And you're just gonna attach it using those screws. Now that we have the base plate tightened in place, we can adjust the pedestal, lock it in place. And now we have a nice stable mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. And remember, since this is a commercial mount, this can hold up anything up to a tablet. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.